Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone model and iOS version because HDR options vary by device. Once done, open Settings and tap Camera to reach HDR controls. This puts you in the right place to make changes. Make sure Smart HDR is on for automatic captures or enable HDR photo control to see the toggle in camera. You're now ready to switch HDR in the camera app and to choose between automatic and manual control. You next open the camera app and pick photo or portrait mode depending on your shot. HDR behavior differs by mode, so choose intentionally. If you enabled HDR photo control earlier, tap the HDR label or the chevron menu to reveal the manual toggle. This lets you force HDR on or off. Otherwise, keep Smart HDR active and let the algorithm combine exposures for better highlights and shadows. Adjust exposure and composition now. You capture the image and immediately review it in photos to compare HDR results with any non-HDR shots. This confirms whether HDR improved highlights and shadow detail. If colors seem unnatural or files are missing, toggle HDR off, force Quick Camera, restart your iPhone, and make sure iOS is up to date. For ghosting or motion artifacts, make sure the phone is steady. Use a tripod or enable live photos to preserve frames. If problems persist, reset camera settings as a final step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.